Clothing construction processes. This topic builds on the clothing construction concepts covered in Form 1, 2, and 3. It is important to understand the clothing construction processes and to come up with garments that are well-fitting. In this topic, we shall cover the following: collars, cuffs, set-in sleeves, facing and interfacing, and construction of a shirt. Collars are features that are fitted at the neckline to add style and appeal to the garment. There are many types of collars, which include Peter Pan collar, shirt collar, wind collar, Chinese or Mandarin collar, sailor collar, polo or turtleneck, tie collar, and river collar. Click on each to view. In this lesson, we shall discuss the following: shirt collar and Peter Pan collar. Procedure of preparing a shirt collar. Using the collar pattern piece, cut out 2 collar pieces and interfacing. Transfer the pattern marking, baste or iron on the interfacing onto the under collar. Using a blunt attaching the collar. Collars are attached using the following methods: self-neatening, using a facing, using a crossway strip, using a band. In this topic, we shall cover 2 methods: self-neatening method and using a crossway strip. Attaching the shirt collar using the self-neatening method. With the raw edges level, fitting lines, center backs and notches matching, place the right side of under collar on the right side of garment, leaving the upper collar free. Pin and tack along the fitting line. Remove the pins and machine along the tacking. Remove the tacking, trim the seam allowance to 6 mm and snip. Trim the seam allowance of the upper collar to 1 cm. Fold along the fitting line to the wrong side. Pin and tack, ensuring the raw edges are enclosed. Remove the pins and hem in position. Remove the tacking and press. Procedure. Place the collar on the garment with the right side facing. Match the raw edges, notches, fitting lines and center back or center front of garment and
looking loose.
Sleeves. A sleeve is a part of a garment that is attached at the armhole and covers all or part of the arm. Sleeves can either be set in or cut as part of the garment. In this topic, we shall only cover the set-in sleeves. types of sleeves: bell sleeve, bishop sleeve, dolman sleeve, puff sleeve, raglan sleeve, kimono, and leg of mutton sleeve. Click for more information. Preparation of a set-in sleeve. The following is a pattern piece of a sleeve showing pattern markings. The procedure of preparing a set-in sleeve. Make 2 fitting line between the dots at the crown. According to style. The following is the procedure of cuffs. A cuff is a method of finishing the lower edge of a sleeve. There are 2 main types of cuffs: shaped cuff and straight cuff. Preparation of a straight cuff with an interfacing. Out 2 cuff pieces and interfacing. Facings. A facing is a piece of fabric used to finish raw edges at open areas of a garment. They are applied on the wrong side or right side of the garment. Facings have a decorative effect when a contrasting color of fabric is used on the right side. They are used on the following sections of a garment: neckline, pocket mouth, armhole, front and back opening, waistline of skirts or trousers, and lower edges of trousers, skirts, shirts, or sleeves. Click to view. Types of facings. There are 3 types of facings: straight facings, crossway facings, and shaped facings. Straight facings. The facing is cut on the straight grain of fabric and the section to be faced is straight. For example, the top of a pocket at a square neckline, at the hem edge of a straight skirt, or at front and back openings on shirts and blouses. Crossway facings. The facing is cut on true bias. It can be used on both straight and curved edges, but is particularly suitable for curved edges as it stretches to lie flat. Shaped facings. The facing is cut the same shape as the edge to be finished. They are usually wider than the straight and the crossway facings. Seam allowance is included when cutting out. Functions of facings: to neaten raw edges, to strengthen the edge where it has been used, to provide thickness for fasteners, to give shape and body to the areas where applied, and to decorate when used on the right side of a garment. In this lesson, you are expected to apply knowledge and skills acquired so far to make a shirt for your coursework. You will need the following: pattern pieces for a shirt, fabric and matching thread, fasteners, interfacing, and needlework tools and equipment. Procedure of making a shirt. Lay the pattern pieces onto fabric according to the layout. Prepare pattern piece and fabric. Cut out patterns. Transfer pattern markings onto fabric and remove paper pattern pieces. Prepare and attach the patch pocket. Make the shoulder and the side seam. Make the front opening. Prepare and attach the collar. Prepare and set in the sleeve. Manage the hem. Make the buttonholes and then attach the buttons.